But I'm really pissed
Hi
off.
guys, me JB Gaming here.
I'm
Today I'm going to be showing you
mad
my
that
auntie
Asians
Lucy's
are
dog.
like all those that voted out are racist.
Billy!
Purely not done it for racism.
Billy!
I'm quite happy for a mixed Britain. I don't want a white
Billy.
country.
No,
That's
and
just
you know
wrong.
what? There's so many countries
Billy.
that aren't in the EU. We did
Billy,
alright
come on.
without before
Come on.
in the EU.
Exactly.
They could
And
do alright
you
again.
see all the criticism that people giving old people because they mostly vote out.
Yeah,
Why
but
do you
how?
think they voted out?
Yeah, but the thing is,
Billy!
how have they come to that conclusion? Because on that voting form doesn't ask your date of birth.
No. So,
Oh, he's paying for the
Well,
camera.
that's just a poll of like, oh, say we are, say 1,000 people
No, don't lick the camera.
in one area, what they voted.
Come on,
Yeah.
Billy,
You know,
sit.
because,
Sit.
like I said, on that voting
it
form,
doesn't really
it doesn't say anything about your date of birth or your age.
No, not at all.
Oh,
You know, I know they've got their little thing where they tick off in their sheet and they give you a slip, but it's not a slip allocated to you personally.
Katie, get out of the camera.
Because I shared this thing about all those racist comments. Not purely about not being the outvoter.
I hope you enjoyed this
Just
video. Ow, Billy. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Most people we work with